Disposable razors provide a practical solution for daily shaving, although they need to be replaced frequently as they quickly lose their effectiveness. Apparently, the blades soon lose their sharpness and you have to throw them away and buy new ones. This is a real waste, since they can be used many times, avoiding both the expense of buying them and the harm to the environment by the plastics the razor is made of. An excellent solution to this problem is to use an old toothbrush to unclog the gap between the blades and restore the razor efficiency. This can be done up to 10 times. Simply brush the blades lengthwise to remove the remains of beard and body fat which prevent the beard from being cut by the blades, even if they remain sharp. Cleaning the blades with an old toothbrush can make the difference between a usable razor and a razor which must be discarded. I hope this advice can be useful to you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.